Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
This is Raj Malela, Managing Director of Mahi Labs and Diagnostics, which is established under the company of Prudent Healthcare Services Private Limited. Healthcare is one of the space where everyone is looking for, and then having a healthy physical as well as the mental is important in our lives. A healthy society will add to the economy of our country. If you look at last year 2020, the world was never prepared for the pandemic. It was a sudden shock, and then most of the countries have affected with the pandemic. In our country, with the limited or the moderate infrastructure, medical infrastructure, our central government as well as the state government have done their best to contain the pandemic, and in fact it was quite a useful or a successful program for us in India compared to a lot of other countries wherein the pandemic was contained to large extent. Given our population and then moderate infrastructure, medical infrastructure, I think we have been successful to a large extent. However, we have noticed that there is an opportunity for improvement in providing the healthcare services to both urban as well as the rural India. What we noticed is the rural India is they have a very limited access to the proper healthcare services. So considering this to become part of the movement, we have decided to come forward and then initiate the healthcare reliable as well as the affordable healthcare services to both urban as well as rural India. If you look at our vision, we are in fact committed from our side to provide reliable and affordable healthcare services to both urban and rural India. And how we are achieving this? We are achieving this through women empowerment. We are also bringing a concept of women empowerment in providing the healthcare services to pan India. Here in Mahi Labs and Diagnostics, we have opened our first center at Sainik Puri, Hyderabad. We are providing the importance to women as part of our women empowerment commitment, and 90%, more than 90 percentage of our workforce is going to be women throughout the company, not only just this particular center but throughout the company. We have a huge expansion plan initially in Telangana and then to pan India in providing our services to both rural as well as the urban India. And as part of the inaugural offers, we have come up with huge discounts varying up to 30%. And then also first 100 women customers will be checked or provided a well women health package for free, which is costing almost like about 3,500. So first 100 women will get a free package for them as part of our commitment to women empowerment. So we request all the residents or the nearby adjacent colonies and then the residents to utilize this opportunity, come forward and then look after your lives.